Friends, welcome to Best Notes Tutorials. Today we are going to have grammar error correction session and this is part 201. So how it is going to be helpful for your spoken English, let's find out. See friends, here I have written incorrect sentences here and correct ones out here. Let's see one by one why they are correct and why these are correct and why these are incorrect. Let's find out. Our first line is I have bought new furnitures. I have bought new furnitures. Here there is error in furnitures because we say furniture, not furnitures, because furniture includes all the things that are made up of wood. So it should be corrected like this. I have bought new furniture. Let's move to the next one. The wages of sin are death. The wages of sin are death. Here, this R should not be there because we are talking about sin and sin should be used with a singular verb. So this should be the wages of sin is death, not are is death. Let's move to the third number. She told these news to her mother. Here entire structure of this line is to be changed and it should be she told her mother this news. See it again. She told her mother this news. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the fourth one. He took troubles to do his work. The problem lies in troubles because we don't say troubles. We say trouble. See here. He took trouble or pains over his work. The cattles were grazing. The cattles were grazing. Cattles should not be used in plural form because cattle includes all the animals. It is a collective noun. Just like human being, we use people or crowd. Same goes with animals. When there is a group of animal, we say cattle, not cattles. So it should be like this. The cattle were grazing. Next is number 6. She showered many abuses on me. She showered many abuses on me. Now this means somebody is abusing you. Somebody is using bad words for you. So how you make sentences from these words? It should be written not many. It should be written with avoiding many. You will be using much.
He showered much abuse on me. He showered much abuse on me.
This should be the correct answer, correct sentence. Next, number 7. I spent the holidays with my family members. I spent the holidays with my family members. It should be written like this. I spent the holidays with my family. Because in family there are your members, your relatives and other people. So family includes all the members who are there in your family. Therefore family should be used instead of family members. Next, there is no space in this compartment. There's no space in this compartment. See, instead of using place, we should use room. See how this sentence is structured. There is no room in this compartment. There's no room in this compartment. Let's move to the number 9. Write this new poetry in your copy. Write this new poetry in your copy. The problem lies with this word, that is poetry. Write this new poem in your notebook. This should be the right answer. Now why? See, poem means one poem. Okay, one poem, one work, like Daffodils of William Wordsworth. That is a poem. When we say poetry, it means that many poems which makes poetry collection. So we should use poem for one particular specific poetry written by one particular poem which is written by a writer, and we should use poetry for number of works, number of poems. So this is how it should be used. He took insult at this. He took insult at this. It should be written in this way. He took offense at this. He took offense at this. Let's move to number 11. Number 11 has this sentence. Put your sign here. Put your sign here. Usually we speak, but this is wrong. We should say put your signatures here. We should use full form of this signature. Put your signatures here. Put your signatures here. Signatures. Please keep in mind you have to use S also. Next, number 12. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin sister. This is wrong because we don't use sister along with cousin, because when you are using the pronoun, you know, it is understood that it is not boy, it is girl. She is my cousin. She is my cousin. You will just say that. If it is male, okay, male member, then it should be said like this: he is my cousin. He and she, it differentiates what is the gender of cousin. Sunil's, my neighbor's house was burgled. Sunil's, my neighbor's house was burgled. Burgled means to have robbery. So if somebody steals, like thief steals somebody's house, then it is called burgled. It should be structured in this way. Sunil, my neighbor's house was burgled. Okay, Sunil, my neighbor's house was burgled. Next, I lost a 10 rupees note. I lost a 10 rupees note. We should not use S out here because we are using collective noun again. It's not 10 rupees. It's not, 1 rupees collection. It is one particular 10 rupees note. Therefore, we say I have lost a 10 rupee note. A 10 rupee note. No S is required. Road closed for repair. Road closed for repair. So here we use for repairs. Road closed for repairs. We will not use just repair. It should be used with S, repairs. Road closed for repairs. His house is out of repairs. His house is out of repairs. Now in this case we should use just repair, not S. His house is out of repairs. This is wrong. This should be written in this way. His house is out of repair. His house is out of repair.
In our last example, that is number 15, we have used it as verb, but here we are using as a noun. Therefore, we should not use repairs. When we are saying that it is being repaired, we are using noun. But when we are saying that they are repairing the road, then it is verb. Therefore, instead of using S, we just use repair.
What is the reason of an earthquake? What is the cause of an earthquake? Not reason, cause. This building is made of stones. This building is made of stone. It's not stones, it's a stone. I disapprove of these kinds of games. I disapprove of this kind of games. I disapprove this kind of games, not kinds, this kind of games. This is grammatically wrong. Veena and Sheila's father is ill. Veena and Sheila's father is ill. There should not be apostrophe mark for both the girls' name. So by this we completed today's session. We will meet with another video with you all. Till then, take care and keep preparing and keep speaking well. All the best. Take care.
Friends, in our channel you will find the notes and videos of Lekhpal and Patwari examination along with other English literature notes. So if you wish to get them, do contact us for free PDF. Thank you everyone for your cooperation.